To mock up your design onto an object like that, it's quite easy. In Photoshop, I have added a photo of a woman holding a pillow. I will make a selection on the upper part of the pillow first using the Object Selection tool. To add a selection to the lower part, hold down the Shift key while moving the mouse. If there are any parts of the selection that are missing or excessive on the object, fix them first. Next, right-click and select Layer via Copy to duplicate it. After that, add the image design you have. Here, I will add an image of Squidward. Lower the opacity value to make it easier to position. Adjust the image position until it covers the pillow area. Raise the opacity value again. Then select Create Clipping Mask. Change the blend option to multiply. Open the blending option settings. Separate the toggle section by holding down the Alt key while clicking on the toggle section. Set this layer and underlying layer sections as needed. Once done, click OK. Next, press CT or L+J to copy the layer. Lower the opacity value, then add the levels effect. Make sure to enable the Click to Clip to Layer icon. Adjust the levels settings as needed. And the result will look like this. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.